This place is called the Jungle Elephant Sanctuary in Chiang Mai, Thailand, and it's absolutely amazing. We got to do so many fun things. We got to swim with the elephants, we got to wash them, we had a mud bath, we got to feed them, and they've been absolutely amazing. They just roam free, so you're free to take photos, you're free to just hang out with them, and if they're coming charging at you, you just have to get out of the way. They're not beaten, they're not abused, they're saved and they're safe here, and everybody here takes care of them. It's like their brother or their sister or their big friend. So yeah, definitely come here if you have a chance and if you're in Chiang Mai, Thailand. This elephant sanctuary is really cool because nobody rides them, they don't get abused. They've actually saved the elephants from getting abused, and they come here, and all the money that tourists come and give these people, they put into the village to feed the animals and to feed the whole village, not just the animals. So it's a really cool place. It's a little bit more expensive than the other places, but they just roam free like that. They're not attached, they're not chained up, they're not beaten. So, and nobody rides them. So yeah, they're good times here.
And people say, not many people. Now a lot of people want to stop riding. You see the baby? Elephant make baby not every night. Different human.
People don't like riding them anymore because when you ride them, those are the ones that get beaten, they get chained up. Not here. Here, they're completely safe. Everybody looks after them. The village people, they come down and they look after them, and it's just really cool. They get medicine. There's one coming over there, look. See? They're just so cool here. And they're so happy, they don't run away. They don't run away because they have their water, they have their food, they don't run away. When humans beat them and treat them badly, whenever you take the chain off them, they want to run away. But here, they just stay here. They're really cool, they're peaceful. There's one up there, sometimes they move away, but they always come back. And there's 9 camps, and this is camp number 4, so I think this one's really cool. Definitely come here if you have a chance.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.